How to fix Amazon Prime Video app not working. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Prime Video application is not working in your device, firstly check if you are connected to a VPN connection. In that case, go ahead and disconnect the connection ASAP. Following with that, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or mobile data or enable the airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, relaunch your Prime Video app. If it still does not work, there might be a bug or the glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap open your phone settings. Navigate to apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Prime Video. Firstly, tap on the 4-stop button, tap on OK. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After which, you'll be able to use the Amazon Prime Video. If the issue still persists, check out your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, you need to search for Prime Video. If you find any of the available update, just leave your application for an update. If not, the last resort would be to uninstall your app and reinstall it later. And you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.